In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can promote your YouTube Shorts with just 5 simple free websites. That's long. Yeah, I'm Muhammad from BitIQ, and on this channel we share with you how you can grow and make money online. So make sure to hit the subscribe button below and turn on the notifications so that you don't miss an update. That's it. Let's dive into it. So the first website you are going to use to promote your YouTube Shorts is going to be Miwi.com. Miwi.com, according to SimilarWeb, has almost 6 million views every single month, and you can use these views to promote your YouTube Shorts. Just go to Miwi.com and click the sign up button, enter your first name, last name, email address, and set up a password and sign up for completely free. So after you sign up, the dashboard will look something like this. So what is this platform? This platform, people visit this platform and create accounts, groups, and pages, which will help you promote your YouTube Shorts. So let's say you are creating videos about fashion and beauty. So you just go to the search bar and type fashion and check out groups that talk about your niche, and after that you need to just click on and join one of the groups, and you'll be posting your contents, and that would attract more views to your YouTube Shorts. And not just that, you see, this is a win-win for you, because you see, when you are attracting views from another platform to YouTube, you see the algorithm will favor you because you are attracting like new views to YouTube, and that will help you be more lightly in the face of the algorithm, and it can promote your contents so fast. So Miwi.com is not just the best website to promote your YouTube Shorts. On the list, this is the smallest website you can use. So stick with me so that you can find out which is the best website you can promote your YouTube Shorts on. So going to the next on the list. Next, we are up to Slideshare.net. Slideshare.net has almost 70 million views every single month. You say this is great, right? So Slideshare.net is a platform that will allow you to post articles or blog posts or some kind of presentational video. So on that, you can create an article on your Google Docs or use some AI to create that. If you don't know how to create an article with an AI, make sure to check out my last video that talk about that. You just need to upload your documents, and inside that, make sure you add a call to action that will link to your video. Let's say you are doing the cooking dish, so you wrote an article about a recipe. Then you can just add a call to action saying that make sure to watch my video that talks more about this recipe. You say you are basically attracting views through Slideshare.net, and you see Slideshare.net is basically bigger than Miwi.com because Slideshare.net has almost 70 million visits every single month. You see, this is huge. Next is going to be Answers.com. Answers.com is visited by almost 7 million users every single month according to SimilarWeb, and this is great. You can use Answers.com to promote your YouTube Shorts, and the way to do that is just you head on to Answers.com, and you don't even have to sign in. After you just head to the website, you can just type a question like, let's say you are creating contents about gym. So you can say, how can I build apps fast? So you can see relating questions that have been answered by different users, right? Then you can reply and answer with your video, like you say, hey, I found this video online and it talks about how you can build your apps fast in a single day, right? So this is a great answer. You can reply to different questions and attract more views to your YouTube Shorts. So this is a perfect way to promote your YouTube Shorts. So up to the next, it's your favorite, right? Pinterest.com. You can use Pinterest.com for your affiliates program. So not just affiliate program, you can use this website to promote almost everything. Like you see, it's kind of accepting the same format as YouTube Shorts. So you can post your videos onto Pinterest.com, and in the link you can paste your YouTube Shorts link so that whenever someone watches the video and click on it, it can take him up to YouTube towards the rest of your content. So you see, this is great. It can attract more views to your YouTube channel. Next is going to be BitChute.com. BitChute.com is more of a website you can post short videos. So what you can do, you can just search. You can see a lot of views and you can see a lot of videos on here. So all you can do is just go to register and register to an account. After that, you just need to head back to your videos and cut like up to 20 to 30 seconds of your videos and just come back on BitChute.com and upload them. In the description, just paste your link. You can add some advertisement speech and paste your YouTube videos link, and that will make someone who found your videos useful go to YouTube and watch the rest of your contents, and they may end up subscribing to your YouTube channel. So this is the best website to promote your YouTube shorts. Hope you liked the video. If you do, don't forget to like, subscribe, and do a lot of things that will help my YouTube channel grow. See you next time.